Alrighty guys, this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to show you guys something really cool. If you guys do remember, in yesterday's video we talked about how the monthly 10 SMA is going to have significant importance. In fact, for a week now, Krish and I have been discussing how closing about the monthly 10 SMA is likely going to have consequences for the macro run that we're talking about, right? A lot of eyes are going to be on that monthly 10 SMA, and if Bitcoin does claim it, it's going to be pretty significant. And what do you know, a couple of days ago, Bitcoin closed its monthly candle and we have now claimed the monthly 10 SMA. Bitcoin has closed above it and opened above it, right? So a lot of eyes are going to be drawn towards where the monthly 10 SMA is to be looking for a rebid, a retest of that monthly 10 SMA. Traders are going to be watching it. Traders who are bullish are going to be looking at the monthly 10 SMA and watching for strength on that retest of the monthly 10 SMA. But here's something cool that you guys can do, especially for your lower time frame to mid time frame trading. This is something very few traders know about. Okay, so what you guys are going to do is essentially open up your data window, okay, towards your right hand side right over here, and you're going to hover your mouse on the previous monthly candle. Look for your 10 SMAs listing. And for us on the right hand side, since we're using the mango ribbon for our 10 SMA, you'll be looking at MA2, which is listed at around 22,945. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, take a horizontal, okay, place it somewhere around there. And then we're going to double click on the horizontal to open up our settings. We're going to click on coordinates and we're going to type in the exact MA right over there, okay? The number that we just got, which was 22,945, right? I believe it was. Let's just go ahead and double check real quick. 22,945. Okay, cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to zoom into the lower time frames and we're going to look to see how price has reacted off that horizontal. And what do you know, guys? We have a perfect respecting of that horizontal on the lower time frames, right? Let me go ahead and clear out the mango ribbon for you guys. You guys can see we had a support and resistance flip right over here, and then consolidation around this region. The market was determining whether it wants to respect it or not, and leading into the FOMC meeting, you can see how the market was using that level, that 10 SMA level, as a way to build their positions before the final thrust to the upside, right? So now what does that tell us? It tells us that the market is watching the monthly 10 SMA. It tells us that bots and algos are waiting for confirmation on the new monthly 10 SMA as another level as well. It also tells us that a lot of traders, bots and algos have a similar view on the 10 SMA that I do, in that I kind of like to wait for confirmation of the monthly candle before using the current 10 SMA's candle as a key level, right? Because remember, as the month is constantly changing its candle, right, the current 10 SMA is going to be moving around, right, by a few $100s. Yes, not too significant, but it's going to be moving around. The previous candle, however, the previous 10 SMA, that is going to have a confirmed dollar value, right, which is easier to use for traders, and bots and algos might be using the same thing, which is why you're seeing that kind of price action over here. So yeah, just a quick tip for you guys, something that you can incorporate into your trading to derive more confluence, more edge, and to get better opportunities when you are looking to either bid or sell into a trade. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.